Give me just a second here, I'll be back and do something. Deer back in our front yard again, eating our bird seed. I can't really hear you. I just saw the deer outside, so I thought I'd record this. Put it up on YouTube like I did the last one. This one's really up close. Probably one of the same ones from the other video. I can't tell which though. It's just eating the bird seed off of the ground. Still can't hear you, by the way. You're gonna need to come in here. How can you see it? Is there a way I can hold it up with something? Can you just come in here, please?
The best shot would be for by the dog pen, but then it'll probably see you and get spooked.
Yeah, I know. Very well I will get spooked if I go over there. That's why I'm not going over there. I am recording this, by the way. Well, how can you tell?
Because the angle I was looking at it from the bathroom.
It doesn't have any horns, though. Well, then answer me, why doesn't it have horns right now?
It's too early in the season, they get them later. I could be wrong.
Do you think it's a different one, or do you think it was that younger one from before?
It's a different one.
Huh. Why is it eating the seed? It seems kind of weird.
It needs lots of acorns. Only bird seed if it gets the chance.
It tried to reach up there on the feeder.
Yeah, it's gonna do it.
Can't reach it though. Oh, it's walking on.
No, that isn't female.
That's what I thought.
It was hard to tell from the angle I was looking at.
And now it's over there.
I think she's been suckling, and that's why I could see something.
And you think I should try and go over to the other side? Or no?
If you want to.
Right.
She wouldn't be looking through the blinds.
Okay, I'll try.
It's looking up, so be careful.
I know, I'll be careful. Just tell me when it's gonna look down, okay?
It's going up.
Okay, okay, it's... Oh, so it's... Okay. Why do they get spooked from the wind? Gotta move slowly. Gotta move slowly. Oh. Gotta stay still. It got spooked by a falling leaf. That's funny. Oh, jeez, that's hilarious. Not sure how long I'm gonna be recording this for. Alright. Well, guess I could try and use the tripod. Not so sure it would work though. Why is it spooked? It's another leaf. Oh, it's going off. It's over there now. Guess I'm gonna try and get another angle. Let's go. The deer's outside. Been getting video of it. I think it's wandering off though. Or maybe not. Yeah, it's wandering off. Oh, yeah, there it goes. Yeah. I think they probably live on the other side of the house and they just walk around to get over here. But yeah, I think that's the video.
That's it.
Yeah, it just kept on walking over in that direction.
It gets spooked because there's coyotes and loose dogs.
Well, I know, but I mean it got spooked by a leaf.
Well, yeah, it's praying.
I still don't understand how it can't tell a leaf from anything that would try to hurt it, though. It just doesn't.
It's like somebody tapping you on the back of your shoulder when you didn't think anybody was there.
Well, that doesn't happen very often.
Yeah.
But, I mean, there are leaves on the trees and they're falling off all the time.
Yeah, and it's way too early. They're falling off because we don't have enough rain. It shouldn't be falling yet.
Well, summer has technically ended, right?
No.
Oh, I thought summer ended by now. They don't actually have the summer break end on summer, which always gets me confused.
When the temperature's regularly still over 100 degrees, summer is not over. The calendar doesn't say it's over either.
Yeah, okay.
We've had 40 to 50 days over 100 degrees.
Oh. Well, and there it goes. Yeah, I think that's a good place to end the video. Can't just record this forever. But I thought that was just cool. I'll try and get more video of this kind of stuff when I can. And you wanna know what? I'm gonna make this a thing for these types of videos. Where's Scooby? Here he is. I'm gonna show Scooby on camera at least once in every video. Hey, Scooby. Hey. I'm sure he does. He just growled at me.
Yeah.
He doesn't even know what I'm holding, so it probably doesn't matter a whole lot to him. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here. What? You looking at me for? You looking at me because I'm making pizza? You like pizza? Yeah. Just end it.